press the New Order icon. A dialog box appears at the bottom left, showing the chronological sequence of individual working steps from top to bottom. In the first working section called Order, you can create a customer or patient. If necessary, you can add a comment. The field can also be left blank. Select the desired model design. In this video, we generate a working and/or a liner model. The next icon takes us to the next step called Import. You can import the desired maxilla scan by left-clicking the Import Upper Jaw icon. Use the Import Lower Jaw icon to add the matching mandible. If a scan of the bite registration is available, you can load it using the Import Pre-Op Scan icon. You can use the Crop Scan icon to crop the scan. Define the occlusal plane, which will subsequently serve as the reference plane for the base. Set 3 points to set the occlusal plane to the ideal position. To correct the plane, you can move the selected points by pressing and holding the left mouse button. Using the mouse wheel, it is possible to move the entire plane vertically. Define the median plane by setting 2 points. If necessary, it is possible to correct the defined plane. You can rotate the model by keeping the left mouse button pressed and moving the mouse. Using the mouse wheel, you can zoom in and out. If required, you can select different base designs, which will be generated directly under the dental arches. Once you have selected the desired base design, simply mark the corresponding area and scale it using the mouse wheel. You can define the basic shape and thickness individually. If required, you can add a marking using the Engrave Model icon. You can also rotate the labeling by moving the mouse and zoom in and out using the mouse wheel. Use the Export Models icon to save the created model in the specified memory location for subsequent 3D printing.